What are we doing?
We're staying in the garage for overnight.
No, we're not.
We're in the garage.
Hi, but what are we doing? What are we making?
What are we making again?
Banana beer.
And we're making banana beer.
Yeah, Hefe.
Hefe.
It's gonna be good.
Good.
What are you playing?
Pokemon Unite.
You out here keeping me company?
Yeah.
Good.
We're just about to start.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Good times. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
So, grain bill was 50-50 of the Chateau Blanc and crisp Pilsen malt. Targeting a gravity of 1050 on a brewhouse efficiency of 80%. We are basically sparging, and that is it. And I need you. Yeah, no stuck sparge or anything like that, so bang bang bong, we're happy. This place is an absolute bomb site. That's the only thing. Everything everywhere, as usual. You know what it's like. Hop's used was Hallertauer Mittelfrueh.
Get more of my favourite breakfast in the garage because I really like that.
Yeah. What kind?
What's the munch?
Really?
The yellow one and the purple one.
Okay.
And the spicy one for you.
Okay. Absolute rotter of a day. Patience. Look at that. Bangin'. Scotland. No dead floating badgers. Alright. Aye, no bother. Yeasts. Hefe Weizen OYL-021 by Amiga. Does have a number. 021. Pretty firm. So that was the Hefe. Welcome to the Hefe Blanc. Now this is a beer that I asked my brother, because I'm doing double batches, I'm doing the big beast, and I asked my brother, right, what are we gonna do? What do you want to do next? And he was like, oh, can we get the banana beer? So I was like, right, okay, cool, I'll look into it. So I spoke with Chris, who is the podcasting maestro over at the Hop Edition, who I podcast with, and Chris loves a good Hefe. And so I asked him, and he put me onto the Amiga OYL-021, and he says, Andy, this thing is bubblegum city, banana. You need to try it. That's the one. And I think he had one as well on at the same time. So, I'll let you see. It's actually the clarity actually for a Hefe. I think that might be down to the white wheat that I used. That was one thing, so that's why I called it Hefe Blanc, because it's Chateau Blanc. And it was the crisp Pilsen malt, the German Pilsen malt I got as a kind of change up from the Bohemian Pilsner. I wanted to try something maybe that was a bit cheaper as well and try that out. And it's decent. It's not Bohemian Pilsner, but it's a decent Pilsen malt actually. It's really good. So yeah. So on the nose it's like pure banana. It's just banana. It's really, really nice aroma. I'd highly recommend the yeast as well. Now, if you want more, I think cloudy, I think maybe like a standard kind of red wheat, just a standard wheat maybe. Red wheat tends to give more of that wheat flavour as well. I'll go into this, I think. We'll see how it's aged anyway. But yeah, so, aye, banana straight off the nose. And then just pure banana clove on the way down. It's got a nice smoothness. Really nice body to it, which is good. And it's got a nice crisp kind of finish. Yeah, just pure classic Hefe. This one's straight out the kegerator, so it's quite cold. Wouldn't mind it a wee bit warmer, but meh. But anyway, so it was Hallertauer Mittelfrueh hops I used for the double batch. It was 55 grams at 60, and then 45 grams at 5. So just half those, you know, those amounts, which I can put on the screen so you can see what it would be for a 5 gallon batch. But yeah, I did this as a bifter, a full bifter, 10G or 46 litres is what I did. What else can I say about this beer? It's very good. My brother's enjoying it as well. He really likes it. Says it's quality. Just a nice, very, very nice wheat beer. Oh, that was something I was going to say. So the efficiency, I think I was targeting 1050. And normally my brewhouse efficiency is about 80%. But with the wheat, I think with the 50% wheat, it just, I think it was running, but somehow I only got a 70% efficiency. So I've just taken a wee note on the old brew book, and just says, just keep in mind for future, I might want to knock down efficiency for a 50-50 wheat beer, you know. But apart from that, it's all good. Anyway, cheers for watching, and I think we're about to hit 900 subscribers. 900 subscribers, which is decent. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, just pure banana city here. Also, check out the Hop Edition podcast. A lot of good stuff probably coming up. A lot of good stuff coming up. And yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, catch you later. Bye.